If you are trying to install Envato Elementor template kit, then first of all you will have to make sure that the template that you are installing is actually a template and not a theme. So for example, let's go to Envato Elements website. Here we will change it to WordPress, and here we can search for any keyword. So for example, let's write e-commerce. Here you can see some themes. Here it says e-commerce theme. Here you can see, so this one is a theme and not a template kit. Similarly, if you will open this one, here it says Elementor template kit. So to install the template kit there is a different process, and to install a theme the process is different. So here if you will come to this playlist, here you will see a video to install the template kit. So here you can see how to install Woodmart theme. So if you are installing a theme like I've shown you earlier, the file that we opened, like this one. So if you are installing an e-commerce theme or any theme, then you can follow this guide. And here I have some other videos as well that fixes some errors that occur while installing the template kit. If you have any question, do let me know in the comment section. You can also go to my website kashifmehmood.com, where you can check out my services and you can check out the products that I have listed to help you grow on your social media. If you want to hire me for any web design project or a store development project on WordPress or Shopify, then you can contact me using my website. And if you have any other question, do let me know in the comment section. I will be available to help you and guide you throughout any query. So thank you for watching this video. Like this video and comment on this video and subscribe to my channel for more related videos.